In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make a gallery full width in Wix. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix editor, and once it loads up, I want you to head over to the gallery that you want to make full width. Then I want you to click on the gallery that you highlighted, and then you will see a bunch of different options appear right on the gallery itself. As you can see, manage media settings, and this button right here, which is for stretching the gallery. So click on that, and then I want you to enable this stretch to full width option right here. Click on that, and your gallery will be fully stretched to both sides of the page, or in other words, full width. Now, at the bottom here, you will see that there is a margins option as well. So if you don't want the gallery to be flush against both walls of the page, make sure to bring this forward as much as you want, and then as you can see, it creates a little margin on both sides. But if you want it to be truly full width, make sure that the margins are set to 0. Then once you're happy with your changes, exit out of this, and let's go ahead and preview the website and see what the gallery looks like. As you can see, this is the gallery right now, and as you can see, it is completely full width and flush against the edges of the screen. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a gallery full width in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.